If you wake up tired with body pain, low energy, poor sleep, you may blame stress, work, age, but sometimes the real problem is your mattress. And the truth is, most people don't know when it's time to replace it. You've been using your mattress for years. At first, it was comfortable, but now it feels different. You wake up with pain. Sleep is not as deep, yet you keep saying it's still manageable. That's how many people delay replacement. A mattress is not permanent. Over time, materials weaken, support reduces, structure changes. Even if it looks fine outside, inside may already be failing. Clear signs. You need a new mattress. 1. You wake up with body pain. If you regularly feel back pain, neck pain, shoulder discomfort, your mattress may not be supporting your body properly. 2. Visible sagging or dips. Check your mattress. If you see uneven surface, body-shaped dents, sagging areas, that means support is gone. 3. You sleep better elsewhere. If you notice, I sleep better in hotels or other places, that's a strong sign. Your mattress at home is the issue. 4. You toss and turn all night. Constant movement means discomfort. Poor pressure support, inability to relax. Your body is searching for comfort. 5. Your mattress is over 6 to 10 years old. In Nigeria, many people use mattresses for too long, but generally 6 to 8 years, performance reduces. 8 to 10 years, replacement is necessary. Age matters. 6. You hear noise or feel instability. For spring mattresses, creaking sounds, uneven bounce. This indicates internal damage. 7. Allergies or odor. Old mattresses can trap dust, hold moisture, develop odor. This affects health and sleep quality. Common mistakes people make: waiting until the mattress is completely bad, ignoring early warning signs, managing pain instead of fixing the cause, thinking it's still usable. Usable is not the same as supportive. How to confirm it's time? Ask yourself, do I wake up refreshed? Is my body comfortable at night? Is my mattress still firm and even? If the answer is no, it's time. What happens when you delay replacement? You may experience chronic pain, poor posture, reduced sleep quality, low daily energy. Over time, it affects your health. When it's time to replace your mattress, choose carefully. One reliable option in Nigeria is Winco Foam Industries Limited. They offer mattresses designed for proper body support, comfort balance, long-term durability. Because the right mattress will support your spine, reduce pressure points, improve sleep quality, and help you wake up refreshed. With options like 14-night sleep trial, you can test the mattress at home, not guess in the showroom. Experience real sleep. Your mattress should help you recover, not stress your body if your sleep is no longer refreshing, if your body is complaining, if comfort has reduced. Don't ignore it, because replacing your mattress is not an expense. It is an investment in your sleep, and better sleep improves everything. Visit www.wincofoam.com to buy your mattress today. For more educational posts, like and subscribe to this channel. Until next time, sleep well, live better.